Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is slow on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. So internet connection is work properly and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinstall your SIM. Take out your SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. Reinstall SIM, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart, swipe up, you will see restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is slow on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.